Ready to start prospecting and qualifying leads? Begin by clicking Saved Lists, then open the list you want to work from. Click on any record to view more details. In the About section, scroll down to Smart Insights to learn more about the company. Click View More, then add details to enter information about your own company. This one-time setup customizes insights based on the products and services you offer. Adjust at any time within settings. Now, you'll see tailored pain points and opportunities. When you're ready to reach out, go to the Smart Outreach tab. Salesgenie can generate email and call scripts based on your value to that business. Customize your outreach by selecting your preferred outreach type. Tone for that lead. Finally, message length. Add custom notes to help Smart Outreach cater the message. For example, highlighting a specific offer or promotion. Create and send your email in seconds. To manage your prospecting efforts, use lead status, tags, and notes. Select a status from the dropdown. Add tags to match your sales process, for example, first attempt. And include notes or tasks under the Notes/Task tab. You can also set follow-up or appointment dates to stay organized. Salesgenie makes it easy to research and connect with leads, everything you need in one platform.